हरि ओम श्रीयते नमः सर्वेभ्यः मम नाम अनन्तः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम अहम् एकं सुभाषितं वदामि एतत् सुभाषितं ज्ञानस्य विषये मयि कियत् ज्ञानमस्ति कीदृशं ज्ञानमस्ति तस्य विषये मम चिन्तनं so this subhashitam is about knowledge, how much knowledge I have and what's my feeling about it, what I am thinking about it. So that's the subhashitam. Etat subhashitam asti Arya Chandasi. So this subhashitam is in Arya meter. Pradhamam aham gayami anantaram प्रतिपदार्थं वदामि अन्वयं च वदामि किञ्चित् आङ्ग्लभाषायामपि प्रयत्नं करोमि प्रथमं गायामि यदा किञ्चिज्ञोऽहं गज इव मदान्धः समभवम् तदा सर्वज्ञोऽस्मि इत्यभवदवलिप्तं मम मनः यदा किञ्चित् बुधजनसकाशादवगतं तदा मूर्खोऽस्मीति ज्वर इव मदो मे व्यपगतः ज्वरः इव मदः मे व्यपगतः प्रतिपदार्थं वदामि यदा when अहं I किञ्चित् little knew a little किञ्चित् ज्ञः किञ्चिदेव ज्ञः किञ्चिदेव जानामि knew little bit तदा then गजः इव like an elephant मदान्धः समभवम् मदः अनन्तरम् अन्धः with pride and became blinded, literally blind with intoxicated. Okay, blind and intoxicated. So I was intoxicated, and because of the intoxication of the pride or madaha, I became blind. I couldn't see anybody around me. So I became arrogant. Tada, then mama manaha, my mind, avaliptam abhavat, avaranam abhavat, was conceited. So the mama manaha was conceited. Kadam sarvajnaha asmi iti, aham sarvam janami iti. I know everything. Nobody can beat me. With that feeling, I thought myself as sarvajnaha. Kintu, but yada when Budhajana sakashat, Budhajanaha, Panditaha, Buddhivantaha janaha, Jnanavantaha janaha, when I learned little by little from the scholars, Kinchit avagatam, little by little, I understood. Tada, then Murkosmi, aham murkahasmi, I am after all a fool. That's what I realized. Then what happened? Tada, jwara iva, just like a fever. You know, the fever comes, attacks you for 3 days or 4 days or 5 days or a week, and suddenly just goes away. So, me madaha, my pride, vyapagataha, just ran away. It was gone in an instant. Adaha anvayah vadami anvayam samskritena yada kinchit jnaha aham gajaha iva madandaha samabhavam tada mama manaha avaliptam abhavat sarvajnaha asmi aham sarvam janami iti. Kintu yada budhajana sakashat किञ्चित् किञ्चित् अवगतं तदा मूर्खः अस्मि, अहं मूर्खः अस्मि इति ज्वरः इव मे मदः व्यपगतः. Tathparyam in English, knowing a little, I got blind with pride like an elephant, intoxicated. Then I arrogantly thought of myself as omniscient. But when I did learn something, little by little, from the scholars, from the learned people, and realized that I was after all an ignorant, a fool, my pride subsided like a fever. एकवारं पुनः सुभाषितम् उच्चैः उक्त्वा समापयामि. यदा किञ्चिज्ञोऽहं गज इव मथान्धः समभवम् तदा सर्वज्ञोऽस्मि इत्यभवदवलिप्तं मम मनः. यदा किञ्चित् किञ्चित् हुतजनसकाशादवगतं हुतजनसकाशादवगतं तदा मूर्खोऽस्मीति ज्वर इव मदो मे व्यपगतः. ज्वरः इव मदः मे व्यपगतः.